If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Welcome to the wonderful world of Python graphical user interface development with Tkinter.
It's like being an architect, but for software.
Here, we're laying the foundation for our calculator app.
This is our calculate function, the brains behind our calculator.
It's like a puppet master, controlling what happens when each button is pressed. Global expression is our way of telling Python, hey, we're going to use the expression variable defined outside this function.
It's like having an external memory bank. The C button is your reset button. Made a mistake?
No worries, just wipe the slate clean.
The backspace button, our friendly eraser, letting you undo just one character at a time.
It's like having a time machine for minor oopsies. Here, we're adding the pressed button's value to our expression.
It's like building a math equation, brick by brick.
This little guard prevents starting an equation with an operator, because that's just not how math rolls.
This updates the display with our current equation. It's like a live broadcast of your ongoing math journey.
The evaluate
function is where the magic happens, turning our equation into an actual result. Python's eval is a real wizard, solving complex math problems in a snap. Displaying our result on the screen, like the grand reveal in a magic show.
In case of an error, like dividing by 0, we show an error message. It's our safety net, ensuring the show goes on.
Creating the main window of our calculator.
Think of it as the stage where all our widgets perform.
Naming our calculator, Simple Calculator, a euro, simple in design, but a powerhouse in performance. The display label is where numbers and results make their grand appearance.
It's the spotlight of our calculator stage. Placing our label at the top, overseeing the rest of the buttons. Here's the fun part: creating the buttons for our calculator.
Each button is like a character in our calculator story.
linking each button to its action a euro. It's like scripting each character's role in a play. Organizing our buttons in a grid, like pieces on a chessboard. And for the equals button, we're giving it a special treatment, spanning it across 2 columns. The main loop.
It's what keeps our calculator alive and kicking, listening for your every command.
Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit.